Do you know which animal acts the best in the world? The moment a predator approaches, this animal suddenly collapses. Its eyes glaze over, its mouth hangs open, and its tongue droops. It even starts to emit a rotten smell, the master of playing dead. It's the Virginia Opossum. But here's the amazing fact. This is a perfect act. When the danger disappears, they jump up and run away as if nothing happened. An even more surprising twist. The Virginia Opossum is the hidden hero in protecting nature.